Hi, boys and girls. Hi, families. Here today, we're going to do a song called Do You Know These Letter Sounds? So I have a visual support that I'm going to put on that shows the ABCs and it shows the picture of the words that we are talking about. So I'm going to share my screen as I sing the song with you. Okay, so here we go. Do you know these letter sounds?
Do you know these letter sounds?
Do you know these letter sounds?
They will help you learn to read.
They will help you learn to read.
Apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Baby, baby,
B, b, b.
baby, baby,
B, b, b.
cookie, 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 dolly, dolly,
D, d, d. Dolly, dolly, d, d, d. Elbow, 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 eh, eh, eh. Elbow, elbow, eh, eh, eh. Flower, 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 flower. Garden, garden, g, g, g. Garden, garden, g, g, g. Hammer, 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 hammer. Igloo, igloo, I, I, I. Igloo, igloo, I, I, I. Jelly, jelly, j, j, j. Jelly, jelly, j, j, j. Kitten, kitten, k, kitten, kitten, k. Lion, lion, oh, oh, oh. Lion, lion, oh, oh, oh.
monkey,
Monkey, mm. Monkey, monkey, mm. Necklace, necklace, mm. Necklace, necklace, mm. Ostrich, ostrich, ah, ah, ah. Ostrich, ostrich, ah, ah, ah. Pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. Quarter, quarter,
quack, quack, quack,
quarter, quarter.
quack, quack, quack.
Rabbit, rabbit,
rabbit,
rabbit,
scissors, scissors,
Scissors, scissors,
tiger,
tiger, tiger, tiger, undershirt, undershirt, ah, ah, ah. Undershirt, undershirt, ah, ah, ah. Vacuum, vacuum, woo, woo, woo. Vacuum, vacuum, woo, woo, woo. Window, window, wah, wah, wah. Window, window, wah, wah, wah. X-ray, X-ray, x, x, x. X-ray, X-ray, x, x, x.
yo,
Yo, yo, yo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Zebra, zebra, z, z, z. Zebra, zebra, z, z, z. There you go, boys and girls. There was our letter sound song. And I hope you enjoyed it. So as time goes on, we're going to learn about the A, B, C's, and we're going to also learn, this is the sign for learn, we're going to learn sign, okay, as well as the sounds for the letters, because those sounds are special and they will help us learn to read. All right, boys and girls, see you soon. Bye.